unlocking the mystery of mortal end. Hello, and welcome to today's English learning session. If you've ever stumbled upon the phrase, mortal end, and found yourself puzzled, worry no more. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind this phrase and learn how to use it in everyday conversation. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into the intriguing world of English expressions. When we talk about mortal end, we are referring to the end of life, the moment when life ceases to exist. The word mortal relates to human life or the human condition, emphasizing our nature and life's temporal limitations. End, on the other hand, signifies a conclusion or a finish. So put together, mortal end is a poetic or dramatic way of referring to death or the end of life. The concept of a mortal end is deeply rooted in literature and history, where the struggles of life and the inevitability of death have been a prevailing theme. While the phrase might sound a bit archaic or literary, it's used to give a certain weight or gravity to the subject of death. It might be encountered in books, movies, or when someone is speaking in a formal or dramatic context. It's important to understand that it's not commonly used in casual conversation. Now, let's see how mortal end can be used in sentences. The hero met his mortal end bravely, facing the enemy without fear. Every living creature on this planet meets the same mortal end. The story revolves around a knight who grapples with the knowledge of his imminent mortal end. By using the phrase in various sentences, you can see that it often carries a tone of seriousness and finality. To expand your vocabulary further, let's explore some synonyms and related phrases. Demise, death, end of life, expiration, passing away. Using synonyms can help you express the concept of a mortal end without repeating the same phrase. I hope this discussion has shed light on the meaning and use of mortal end and added a new expression to your English vocabulary. Remember, learning a language is like unraveling a mystery, and with each phrase you learn, you get one step closer to becoming a fluent speaker. Keep practicing, and until next time, happy learning. Remember, if you have any phrases or expressions you're curious about, leave a comment down below, and I might cover them in future videos. Goodbye for now.